Hey everyone, welcome back to SmartHome. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to install an MQTT broker. Whether you're working on an IoT project or want a lightweight, fast messaging protocol, MQTT is the way to go. Let's dive in. Section 1. What is MQTT? Before we start with the installation, let me briefly explain what MQTT is. MQTT, or Message Queuing Telemetry Transport, is a lightweight messaging protocol often used in IoT projects. It allows devices to send and receive small amounts of data with low bandwidth. Section 2. Prerequisites for installing an MQTT broker. Alright, let's get into the setup. For this tutorial, we'll install the popular MQTT broker Mosquitto on a Linux-based system. However, the steps are similar for Windows or Mac as well. A computer with Linux installed or a Linux virtual machine. Root or sudo access to install software. An internet connection to download packages. Section 3. Installing Mosquitto MQTT broker on Linux. Step 1. First, let's update our package lists. Open your terminal and run the following command. This makes sure we have the latest versions of the software repositories. Step 2. Now, let's install Mosquitto, along with the Mosquitto clients. The clients will help us test the broker once it's up and running. Use this command. Step 3. After installing, you can check if the Mosquitto service is running by typing the following command. Section 4. Configuring the MQTT broker. Now that we've installed Mosquitto, let's configure it. By default, the broker will listen on port for incoming connections. However, you can modify the configuration file if you need to change any settings. Step 4. To edit the Mosquitto configuration, open the file located at etc. mosquitto.conf using a text editor. For example, you can use nano. Step 5. Inside the config file, you can enable password protection, configure TLS, and customize other options. Once you're done, save and exit. Then restart the Mosquitto service to apply the changes. Section 5. Testing the MQTT broker. Let's test if the broker is working. Open a second terminal and use the Mosquitto client to subscribe to a test topic. Enter this command. If everything is working correctly, you should see the message, "Hello, MQT," appear in the second terminal. Section 6. Securing your MQTT broker. Before wrapping up, I highly recommend securing your MQTT broker, especially if it's exposed to the internet. You can enable authentication and use SSL TLS encryption to protect the data being transmitted. Conclusion. And that's it. You've successfully installed and tested your own MQTT broker. Now you're ready to build all kinds of IoT applications with reliable, fast communication between your devices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.